Hello students, welcome back to organic chemistry classes. This is the fifth class I'm teaching with respect to haloalkanes and halogens. 4 classes already completed ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ 5th class ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. In this class I'm going to give the information about examples of nucleophilic substitution reaction. In the last class we have been studied what is the actual meaning of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Based on that we have been studied 2 types of nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is SN1 and SN2. ಎರಡರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಲರ್ನ್, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಲೇಬೇಕು. 3 marks ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ PUC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೂರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ದೋಸ್ 2 derivations properly. Today I am going to deal with the chemical reactions of haloalkanes and haloarenes also, if possible. Otherwise I will go with the first examples for nucleophilic substitution reaction. First 2 examples involved in nucleophilic substitution reaction ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Examples of nucleophilic substitution reaction. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದವ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. First one, a reaction with aqueous sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. A reaction with aqueous sodium hydroxide or aqueous potassium hydroxide. Okay na? Simple example, CH3Br. When alkyl halide is made to react with aqueous potassium hydroxide, it undergo what type of reaction? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. This OH group replaces the halogen atom to form CH3OH plus potassium bromide is obtained. CH3OH potassium bromide is obtained. The name of the compound is methanol. Now complete the following reaction. What will be the major product in the following reaction? Find it out. What will be the major product in these 2 reactions? Pause the video and complete the reaction. ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 minute ಒಳಗೆ reaction complete ಮಾಡಿ. Okay? I think you have been completed the chemical reaction. So in this case, first one, this will be the major product. OH all are secondary carbon atoms, therefore it may undergo SN1 reaction or it may undergo SN2 reaction. The name of the compound is cyclohexanol plus sodium chloride. In this case, what is the major product? This is what type of carbon atom? Secondary carbon atom means first we get secondary carbon atom. I'll write in the bond line structure like this. We get secondary carbon atom. On adjacent carbon atom we got tertiary carbon atom is there. On adjacent side we got tertiary carbon atom is there. Therefore 1,2 hydride shift takes place. 1,2 hydride shift takes place. This hydrogen atom will come here, this positive charge will move here to form tertiary carbocation. To this the nucleophile get attacked to form tertiary alcohol. Because it follows SN1 mechanism. So this is not included in your PUC. ನಿಮ್ಮ CET ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೈಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ನೀಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಥರ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದೀಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಪಾಸ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಂಡ್ ನೋಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್. Next, coming to second one, a reaction with water. Alkyl halides reacts with water, H plus OH minus ion. How the nucleophile generated in water means OH minus ion. Alkyl halides, sorry I written hydrogen, sorry. Alkyl halides on treated with water are on subjected to hydrolysis. Alkyl halides are subjected to hydrolysis. Respective alcohols are obtained. Respective alcohols are obtained. Please note it down. Very simple. When alkyl halide are subjected to hydrolysis, respective alcohols, sorry, hydrocarbons in there, I'm very sorry. When alkyl halide are subjected to hydrolysis, respective alcohols are obtained. Complete the following reaction: CH3, CH2, Br. What happens when it is subjected to hydrolysis? We know that it undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. What is the major product we get? Next one. On subjected to hydrolysis, what is the major product we get? Please pause the video. And write down the products and identify which one is SN1 and which one is SN2. ಯಾವ್ದು SN1 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು SN2 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಬೇಗ. Over? Okay. I think you got the answer. CH3, CH2, OH plus HBr we got. In this case, this is tertiary carbon atom. Secondary, but this is tertiary carbon atom because it is bonded to. E carbon atom ಒಂದು 3 carbon atom, 1 2 3, therefore it is tertiary. ಮಿಗ್ದವೆಲ್ಲ secondary. So we get like this: 1-methyl cyclohexanol, 1-methyl cyclohexanol plus hydrogen bromide, HBr. Now the second question is, which one follows SN1, which one follows SN2 adaga? It follows SN1 mechanism. SN2 nadre, sorry, it follows SN2 because it is primary alkyl halide. What about this? This is tertiary alkyl halide, therefore it follows SN1 mechanism. It is tertiary alkyl halide, therefore it follows SN1 mechanism. Please note down the reaction, please. Next, third one, a reaction with sodium alkoxides. Reactions with sodium alkoxide. When alkyl halide are treated with sodium alkoxide, so OR minus Na plus, so this is the nucleophile, this will be the nucleophile. So this Na plus combines with halogen minus, get removed. What type of reaction it undergoes? It undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction to form ROR dash. It forms ether with the liberation of sodium halide. This method of preparation of ether from alkyl halide, very important named reaction. ನಿಮ್ಮ second PUC definitely 2 marks ಕೇಳುವಂತ question. This method of preparation of ethers from sodium alkoxide by using alkyl halide is called as Williamson's ether synthesis. This method of preparation of ethers from alkyl halide is called as Williamson's ether synthesis. 100% ಇದು 2 marks question ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಥರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್: CH3, CH2, Br. untreated with C2H5ONA. What is the name of the compound? Sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide. When bromoethane untreated with the sodium ethoxide, which is the nucleophile part, C2H5O minus will be the nucleophile which replaces this nucleophile from this compound to form CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3 plus NaBr is obtained. Diethyl ether is obtained. Diethyl ether is obtained. Diethyl ether is obtained. So this method of preparation of ethers by using alkyl halides is called as Williamson's ether synthesis. Williamson's ether synthesis. Please note it down. Next, fourth one. A reaction with alcoholic ammonia. Reaction with alcoholic ammonia. When alkyl halides are treated with alkyl ammonia, when alkyl halides is made to react with alkyl ammonia, it involved in the formation of derivatives of ammonia which are called as amines. Alkyl halides ನಾನು alcoholic ammonia ಜೊತೆ react ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ it undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction to form the derivatives of ammonia. What is the derivatives of ammonia ಅಂದ್ರೆ amines. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. When alkyl halide is made to react with ammonia, ammonia ಅಂದ್ರೆ NH3 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ammonia ಅಂದ್ರೆ NH3 and H3. ನಾನು ಇದರ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಇದನ್ನಿದು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. It undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction minus HX. It forms RNH2 or NH2. The name of the derivative of ammonia is primary amine. In case of ammonia, one hydrogen atom is replaced by either alkyl or aryl group, then that amine is called as primary amine. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನನಗೇನೋ alkyl amine because ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದೇನೋ alkyl halide. Still two more replaceable hydrogen atom is there. Again it is treated with excess of alkyl halide. Excess of alkyl halide ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I get RNRH. Secondary amine is obtained. Again it is treated with alkyl halide. We get R3N. Tertiary amine is obtained. And finally again it is treated with, due to the presence of lone pair electron, still it can react with one more alkyl halide to form minus HX. Illeno loss illa. We get R4N plus X minus agutte. Quaternary ammonium salt is obtained. Quaternary ammonium salt is obtained. Means when alkyl halides are treated with ammonia, we get derivatives of ammonia is obtained, that is primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine and quaternary ammonium salts. If ammonia is taken in excess, primary amine will be the major product. Ammonia ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ primary amine will be the major product. If alkyl halide is taken in excess, then I get primary, secondary, tertiary as well as quaternary ammonium salt is obtained. Okay, we will go with a simple example. Methyl bromide. ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಬೋದು, ನೀವು ಅಯೋಡೈಡ್ ಅದು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆನ್ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ, ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಮೈನಸ್ HBr ಏನು ಬಂತು? CH3NH2 methyl amine. I got methylamine. Again on treated with the CH3Br, one hydrogen atom from here get replaced by CH3 group. Because CH3 minus ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ Br minus CH3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ HBr ಆಚೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗ, CH3 twice NH secondary amine, dimethylamine is obtained. Dimethylamine is obtained. Again it is treated with one more CH3Br. ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ H ಪ್ಲಸ್ N ಮೈನಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆದರೆ N ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆದರೆ N ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇದು ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ CH3 ಥ್ರೈಸ್ N, ಟ್ರೈಮಿಥೈಲ್ amine form ಆಯಿತು. Then finally it is treated with one more molecule of CH3Br. Now it undergoes addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction ಇರುತ್ತೆ. CH3 4 times, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ N ಪ್ಲಸ್ Br ಮೈನಸ್ ಟೆಟ್ರಾ ಮೀಥೈಲ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಂ bromide is obtained. Tetramethyl ammonium bromide is obtained. Pause the video and please note down the reactions. Over? Okay, we'll rub it now. Fifth one, reaction with alcoholic potassium cyanide. Reaction with alcoholic potassium cyanide. Potassium cyanide in alcoholic medium. Potassium cyanide in alcoholic medium. In alcoholic medium, it acts as an ionic compound. It acts as an ionic compound which undergo complete dissociation to form K plus C minus triple bond N lone pair electrons. On cyanide, we got two donor atoms. One is carbon, another one is nitrogen. In a given nucleophile, there are two donor atoms are there. If there are two donor atoms are there, then it is called as ambident nucleophile. Then it is called as ambident nucleophile. What is meant by ambident nucleophile? These are the nucleophile which has got two nucleophilic center. The nucleophiles which has got two nucleophilic centers are called as ambident nucleophile. But one is carrying the negative charge, another one is lone pair electrons. Then which is stronger nucleophile andre the nucleophile which carrying the negative charge compared to the neutral atom. The negative charge nucleophile point is stronger nucleophile when compared to the neutral nucleophile. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವನು ಡೋನರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇವನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ? ಈಗ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. When alkyl halide is made to react with alcoholic potassium cyanide, it undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. So ಯಾವುದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ of cyanide group attacks the alkyl group to form R C triple bond N plus potassium halide. The name of the compound is alkane nitrile ಅಥವಾ alkyl cyanide is obtained. Alkane nitrile ಅಥವಾ alkyl cyanide is obtained. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Example, C2H5Br on treated with alcoholic potassium cyanide. It undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. To form CH3, CH2, C triple bond N plus KPr. propane nitrile. Propane nitrile is obtained. अथवा ethyl cyanide is obtained. Propane nitrile अथवा ethyl cyanide is obtained. According to Fajans rule will place agate the radius of cation is greater than radius of anion. In this case, the radius of cation is greater than radius of anion. Therefore, even in alcoholic medium, potassium cyanide is ionic in nature. Aita? Next. ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ reaction with alcoholic silver cyanide. Reaction with alcoholic silver cyanide. AgC triple bond N. In case of alcoholic silver cyanide, according to Fajans rule, if I go with respect to Fajans rule, the radius of cation is smaller than radius of anion. Therefore, here we can observe covalent molecule. It is covalent in nature. Therefore, nitrogen will be the donor part. Hence, it acts as nucleophile. Nitrogen will be the donor part. Therefore, it acts as nucleophile. Nodi, potassium cyanide idre carbon will be the nucleophile site. ಅದೇ AgC ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಸೈಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ potassium cyanide in ionic medium it is ionic. In alcoholic medium it is ionic in nature, but in alcoholic medium it is covalent in nature. Therefore, it never undergo dissociation. Therefore, lone pair electrons present on the nitrogen atom involved in the donation. Therefore, this nitrogen acts as nucleophilic site. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Alkyl halides are treated with silver cyanide. Alkyl halides are treated with silver cyanide. This nitrogen donor atom ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is alcoholic medium. It undergoes what type of reaction? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction to form RN123 triple bond C plus AgX. So alkyl isocyanide is obtained. Alkyl isocyanide is obtained. PUC ಕೇಳೋಂಥ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Example, C2H5Br ethyl bromide on treated with alcoholic silver cyanide. It undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. To form CH3 CH2 N triple bond C plus AgBr. So what is the name of the compound? Ethyl isocyanide is obtained. ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Why it is isocyanide ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ cyanide ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲಿಕ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದು ಕೋವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಬಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಬಂದು ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನೋಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಎಂಟನೇದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲಿಕ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ನೈಟ್ರೈಟ್. ಇನ್ನು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲಿಕ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ನೈಟ್ರೈಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. KON double bond O. This is the structure. It is an ionic molecule. It is an ionic in nature. Alcoholic medium, according to Fajans rule, it is ionic in nature, which undergo dissociation to form K plus O minus N lone pair electrons double bond O. It is also ambidentate nucleophile. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ more than one nucleophile site ಇದೆ, but the atom which carrying the negative charge will be the stronger nucleophile when compared to an atom which contains lone pair electrons. Therefore, oxygen atom will consider as nucleophilic site. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ. Alkyl halide is made to react with alcoholic potassium nitrate. Alkyl halide, when it is made to react with potassium nitrite, what type of reaction it undergoes? It undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this is the nucleophilic site which attacks the electrophilic carbon atom, to form O N double bond O plus potassium halide. What is the name of the compound? Alkyl nitrite is obtained. Alkyl nitrite is obtained. Please note it down. Alkyl nitrile is obtained. TRIL, alkyl nitrile is obtained. Example, C2H5Br, when ethyl bromide on treated with alcoholic potassium nitrite, when ethyl bromide on treated with alcoholic potassium nitrite, it undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. It easily undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction to form C2H5ON double bond O plus KBr is obtained. Ethyl nitrile is obtained. Ethyl nitrile is obtained. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? Okay, good. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೇ ಥರನೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ. Reaction with alcoholic silver nitrite. Reaction with alcoholic silver nitrite. AgNO2. The structure will be like this. AgN double bond O. So the electrons which are present on the nitrogen atom involved in the donation. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರೆಲ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದೇ ಡೋನರ್ ಆಗೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತಪ್ಪು. ಇದು ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಇದರ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. ಆಸ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, electron cloud will strongly bonded to the nucleus. As atomic radius increases, electron cloud present far away from the nucleus. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ ಅವೇ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್. ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್. Very simple reaction. When alkyl halides is made to react with the silver nitrate. When alkyl halides is made to react with the silver nitrate, this lone pair electrons attacks this group. It undergoes what type of reaction? Nucleophilic substitution reaction to form Rn plus O minus double bond O plus AgX. Nitroalkanes are obtained. Nitroalkanes ಬಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. Very simple reaction, right? C2H5Br, ethyl bromide on treated with alcoholic silver nitrite. It undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. To form C2H5NO2 plus AgBr. Nitroethane is obtained. Pause the video and please note it down. Okay, good. Reaction with silver salts of carboxylic acid. A reaction with silver salts of carboxylic acids. When alkyl halide is made to react with silver salt of carboxylic acid. When alkyl halide is made to react with silver salt of carboxylic acid. So this whole part acts as nucleophile. This whole part acts as nucleophile. Minus so idu plus so idu gone. It undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. It undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction to form RO, C double bond O, R dash plus silver halide. Ester is obtained. Ester is obtained. This method of preparation of ester by using silver salts of carboxylic acid with alkyl halide is called as Hund, H-U-N-D, Hunziker reaction. This type of preparations of ester from these two reactants is called as Hunziker reaction. Example, CH3Br, methyl bromide on treated with AgO, C double bond O, C2H5, silver ethanoate, silver propanoate, propanoate. ಅಥವಾ 1 minute ಸಾರಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ. CH3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಅಸಿಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಪ್ರೊಪನೇಟ್ ಬರೆದು ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಯಿತು. ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಅಸಿಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಏನು ಬಂತು? CH3 ವಾ, C double bond ವಾ, CH3 plus AgBr ಬಂತು. What is the name of the ester? Methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate is obtained. Last reactions of nucleophilic substitution reaction. A reaction with lithium aluminum hydride. A reaction with lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride, strong reducing agent which reduces which reduces alkyl halides into hydrocarbons by the method called as nucleophilic substitution reaction. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್, ಇದು H ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಲಿಥಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರೈಡ್ H ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ it acts as a nucleophile generator. When alkyl halide are treated with lithium aluminum hydride, it produces two hydrides, ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, to form respective alkyl halide as well as hydrogen halide. So respective hydrocarbon is obtained. Respective hydrocarbon is obtained. So these are the simple examples for nucleophilic substitution reactions. Please note it down. Next, second, elimination reactions of alkyl halide. The process of removal of hydrogen along with halogen in the given alkyl halide. The process of removal of hydrogen along with halogen in the given alkyl halide is called as elimination reaction. This reaction is also called as beta elimination reaction. It is also called as beta elimination reaction. It is also called as beta elimination reaction. For example, I will take a molecule like this: carbon, chlorine, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, 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 ethyl chloride. When ethyl chloride on treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, the carbon atom which carrying the halogen atom is called as alpha carbon atom, and the adjacent carbon atom is called as beta carbon atom, and the hydrogen atom which is bonded to the beta carbon atom is called as beta hydrogen atom. We are removing the halogen atom along with hydrogen atom from beta carbon atom to form alkene. This reaction is called as elimination reaction. Halogen atom get completely removed, Cl minus agi hachikotogutte. Hydrogen removes in the form of proton, so E electron density illi bandbidutte. Therefore we get respective alkene. Hydrogen double bond C, hydrogen plus potassium bromide plus water. The name of the alkene is ethene. Very simple reaction ashtallana. When alkyl halides is made to react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, they undergo elimination reaction. They undergo beta elimination reaction to form respective alkene. What is meant by beta elimination reaction? The process of removal of halogen atom along with hydrogen atom from beta carbon atom. The process of removal of halogen atom along with hydrogen atom from beta carbon atom in alkyl halides is called as beta elimination reaction. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಏನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂಥರ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. CH3 C Br hydrogen, CH2 CH3 on treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. What is the major product? Alkene is the major product. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ problem ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, this is alpha carbon atom. To that alpha carbon atom there are two beta carbon atoms are there. Look towards the board. This is one beta carbon atom, B1 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. This is one beta carbon atom, ಇದು B2 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದು beta 2 hydrogen atom, ಇದು beta 1 hydrogen atom. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we are going to remove the hydrogen atom from beta 1 carbon atom also, from beta 2 carbon atom also. We are getting two products. ಈ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. If I remove the hydrogen atom along with halogen atom from beta carbon atom, what will be the major product? CH3 CH double bond CH CH3 plus KBr plus H2O. 2-butene will be the major product. 2-butene will be the major product. If I remove the hydrogen atom from beta 2 carbon atom, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಈಗ. I'm going to remove the hydrogen atom from beta 2 carbon atom. Beta 2 carbon atom ಇಂದ hydrogen ಎತ್ತಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. What will be the major product? CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH2, CH3 plus KBr plus H2O. What is the name of the compound? 1-butene. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, which one is major and which one is minor. ಎರಡು ಬೀಟಾ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೈನರ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಮೈನರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಜಫ್ ರೂಲ್, ಇದು ಹಾಫ್ಮನ್ಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಜ್ಞಾಪನ ಬಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಓದಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಜಫ್ ರೂಲ್, ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಕೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಸೇಜಫ್ ರೂಲ್? ಸೇಜಾಫ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ದ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್. ದ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್. From that beta carbon atom which contains less number of hydrogen atom is called as Saysaph rule. What is meant by Hoffman's rule? During elimination reaction, the halogen atom is removed along with that hydrogen atom from that beta carbon atom which contains more number of hydrogen atoms. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎತ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಆದರೂ ಸತ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಮೇಜರು, ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಮೈನರು? ಈಗ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸರಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಮೈನರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬೇಸ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ such as alcoholic potassium hydroxide ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ Saysaph product will be the major. If I use bulky base like alcoholic tertiary butoxide ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ Hoffman's product will be the major. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬೇಸು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ Saysaph ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು Hoffman's ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನೋಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್. Okay, next the final reactions of alkyl halide, that is a reaction with metals. Third, reaction with metals. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ವಿತ್ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಮೆಟಲ್. When alkyl halide is made to react with magnesium in presence of dry ether as solvent. ಡ್ರೈ ಈಥರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗಿರೋದಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಬೈ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ H2SO4. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡ್ರೈ ಈಥರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ವೆನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್ it get converted into magnesium hydroxide. Further reaction does not take place. It involved in the formation of organometallic compounds. It involved in the formation of organometallic compounds which is called as alkyl or aryl. Magnesium halide is obtained, which is called as Grignard reagent. Which is called as Grignard reagent. When alkyl or aryl halide is made to react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether, Grignard reagent is obtained. Example: methyl bromide on treated with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether as solvent, we get CH3 MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide is obtained, which is called as Grignard reagent. ಅದೇ ನಾನೇನಾದರೂ ಅರೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಯಾವಲ್ಲ ಅರೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. When chlorobenzene is made to react with magnesium metal, is made to react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, we get phenyl magnesium chloride is obtained. Phenyl magnesium chloride is obtained, which is called as Grignard reagent. Which is called as Grignard reagent. The order of reactivity of aryl halides towards magnesium metal. The order of reactivity of aryl halides towards magnesium metal to form Grignard reagent is like this. Aryl iodides are more reactive than aryl bromides, which is more reactive than aryl chlorides. This is the order of reactivity of aryl halides towards magnesium metal to form Grignard reagents. Okay? Next, B. A reaction with sodium metal. A reaction with sodium metal. When only alkyl halides, only alkyl halides, only alkyl halides is made to react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು R dash ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ we get higher alkanes. Means compared to the reactant in the product we get one more carbon atom extra. Reactants ಗಿಂತ products ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು carbon atom extra ಇರುತ್ತೆ. We get higher alkanes. We get higher alkanes. ಒಂದು ಎರಡನೇ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. RX plus 2Na when one is alkyl halide, ಒಂದು alkyl halide, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು aryl halide. ಒಂದು alkyl halide, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು aryl halide is made to react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether we get alkyl substituent aromatic compound is obtained. Aryl ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಇದು alkyl group, ಇದು aryl group plus 2NaX. Alkyl substituent aromatic compound is obtained. Alkyl substituent aromatic ಅಥವಾ phenyl alkane is obtained ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. RX plus 2Na plus R dash X. When only aryl halide, ಎರಡು aryl halide, only aryl halide is made to react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether we get diphenyl compound. We get diphenyl plus 2NaX. ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್, ಬರೇ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ನ ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ರುಡ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ರುಡ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಟು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಈಥರ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಕೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ರುಡ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತೀನಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್? ಏನು ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. If only aryl halide is made to react with sodium in presence of dry ether to get diphenyl compounds is called as fitting reaction. ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಕೈಲು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರೈಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ರುಡ್ಸ್ ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಕೈಲೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರೈಲ್ ಆದರೆ ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. CH3Br plus 2Na when 2 moles of methyl bromide are treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, we get CH3 higher alkane which contains 1 carbon atom more compared to the reactant plus NaBr. Ethane is obtained. Ethane is obtained, which is called as Roots reaction. ಈಗ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. CH3Br on treated with sodium metal, one more is bromobenzene. When bromobenzene and ethyl bromide is made to react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, toluene is obtained. Toluene is obtained. When 2 molecules of bromobenzene, when 2 moles of bromobenzene are treated with sodium metal, in presence of dry ether, we get biphenyl product. Biphenyl is obtained. So this reaction is called as Roots reaction, this reaction is called as Roots fitting reaction, this reaction is called as fitting reaction. So this completes the chemical reactions of alkyl halides or haloalkanes. ಯಾವ reactions also nucleophilic substitution reaction also, elimination reactions also, finally reaction with metals also there. So I think that you have been understood my class very properly. I think you have been learnt in the new form, ಹೊಸ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. But my dear students, make sure that if you want to learn the organic chemistry, want to gain the marks in the organic chemistry, you should have to practice by writing only. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now I am going to stop the class. In the next class I am going to start with chemical reactions of haloarenes. Thank you. Have a nice day.